Good afternoon, guys. Here I am installing or reassembling this retainer bar. I mean, I'm not sure what this is called, but I'm using the term as retainer bar for the bumper. This one came off from my 90, and I'm putting it on with the 84 bumper here, and everything is aligning, and I mean there's a damage right here, but that can fix. It's not a big deal, and I'm just trying to put this together today, so to get ready to install this bumper on the car, and this the right side. So this here is where the modification is being done. I've cut the vertical part of the section here of this that would screw on from here to. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna make cuts right here, right across like that, and go to the center, then come up to this side, and come back up. So this part right here is all gonna be gone, because this here is gonna come down. This part here is gonna actually come down and sit right on top here and flush with this part here, and these are gonna be cut out, because this actually no I'm gonna cut it right in here and bring this down, and those edges will stay, and I'm gonna make another once these are down, I'm gonna put another piece to connect with this part here. You will see what I mean. Like when I'll do it, you will see what I'm doing, and you guys will understand. But this is where I am right now, and so I thought I'll make this quick video to show it to you guys that I'm getting the bumper ready to be installed on the car. I spend almost a whole day to clean similar strip like these up, and then paint them. And the way I did is with my drill machine, and the wire brush, the wire roller. And you can see how corroded this is, and it looks like it's just a piece of crap. But when I put my wire brush on it, it comes out clean and shiny. And after I was done cleaning it, I took as much corrosion as I could off. Then I painted it blue, because this is the only color I have at the moment. And you guys will be very impressed with the results. I'll post a picture with this. So that's my update for today. Take care. Enjoy, guys.